Hi, today I have an unknown disc padlock with this interesting four-wheel combination lock. It's interesting mechanism because it's a bit unusual, so you need to twist it clockwise to unlock and counterclockwise to lock it. And it's unknown because you can see only hardened here and no other markings. These are two probably drain holes, and this is for changing the combination. It feels heavy, but the mechanism feels stuck. It's stucking a bit, and sometimes when you change the combination, it's the wheels are stuck. So hopefully I can change the combination and show you how you can decode this one. It's pretty easy. So maybe it's a Chinese one, maybe not. So we put it in this position and then we just scramble all the wheels to have some unique unknown combination, and then I'll try to put all the wheels in their position, proper position. Put it like that, and then again it's stuck. So the first wheel I can move, the second no, third no, and fourth I can move it. Now everything is moving good. So now we're scrambling. So we have a padlock with unknown combination. So let me put it everything 0 0 0, and it cannot be opened. So the easy way is to have some kind of a thin shim. Can be some can. You can look. You can just grab a used can and then create tool like this, and then you can put it on the right side, and that just rotate, and you will see the pick hole or the shim will fall down into a big groove, and we go with that one. So yeah, so you can see it's 8. So here is how it looks like. So you can see this curved part, so you can see it here, but here it's completely down. So we just do that. So it's 3. We try to figure out where is that groove. So it's on 7 here, and here it's on 2. So 2 7 3 8, it's not the combination. So we just need to move one position and then try it, test it. 6. This is not the combination, and we can do I think it's 4 or 5 times. Maybe it's 5 times. I don't remember. Maybe it's even more. And we are open. So it was a pretty easy to decode this one if you know how you can decode it. To be honest, I still don't know if this is a Chinese one. It looks like a Chinese, but it's so heavy. It's unbelievable how heavy it is, and this mechanism is a bit complicated. But then there is always like it's a combination padlock, so it's always some kind of a way to decode these types of padlock. So yeah, this was the no name unknown disc 4-wheel combination padlock decoded. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.